Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, so here's a little live trading session for today. For whatever reason, my broker or my trading platform NQ is like being really weird, not letting me really trade it, or not letting me trade it at all. Not really. So, as you see, we open up in about give or take 40 seconds. But so we'll be looking at ES today. It does seem like we did have news this morning, actually. Let me check. We had core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and that was all at 8:30 Eastern time. So you guys can't see it. Let me see if I can move this over for you guys a little bit. If you look at this over here, we had a very big draw. Market opens in 2 seconds. So we'll kind of see where it goes. Market seems to be flying a little bit, which is good. It's a real bummer. I really wanted to trade in Q this morning, but looks like we're flying. Breaking out of that sell zone, which is nice. Tapping into that buy zone. So we're rejecting a little bit. As far as plays today, I don't really have any in mind, I believe. Maybe this break of this buy zone that you guys are looking at right now, just because in previous, it looks like it rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the 5 minute. If we can get a solid entry above that, I think it'd be a very good trade. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm expecting a little bit of chop this morning, just solely off the fact that we had some news that obviously drove the market downwards. So if we can get it, back up, that'd be nice. If we can close above it, I think I'd take some buys on that. Sellers are obviously here. Jeez. During this time, one thing I do really want to focus on as far as, my trading personally is I've been very, very good on following my rules and just really staying disciplined and only taking setups that I do feel are decent to great. The only reason I say decent is because the past 2 trading videos, the trading or market conditions have not been ideal and the kind of really suck. So as long as I really stay true to my plan, don't force anything, I'm sure I will continue to do, very good. So yeah, just always stick to your rules. Don't break them. Stay consistent and just over time you'll really learn what's best for your trading styles and what suits you best. So maybe we'll get some more downwards, a little sell off into the next little zone. See what happens. Also, let me know what you guys thought about yesterday's face camera. I'm personally not really much of a fan of it, but to each their own. If it helps you guys, or if it helps my case approve my legit messy, I don't know if that's the right word, then I'll do it, but I mean, it's just not really ideal for me. Let's see if we can close outside of this zone. Candle will close in about 9 seconds. Let's see if we can close. Close out of the zone. I need to see a push. We're obviously stuck in this little zone. We're right battling at VWAP too. We can get a nice push right here. Push into that zone. Let's make a nice move. We're just stuck in this zone. Like, come on. Not zone, but like this little range from open. It just means once it breaks, it's really gonna break. There's some big selling on time and sales in level 2. Coming in there now, actually. Level 2 is looking better for the buys right now. Looks like it should be getting better. I'm seeing some big orders coming out on level 2, actually. Big orders are coming in. Can we finally get a break of this range, please? Like that'd be very ideal right here. Break VWAP, push into the fucking buy zone. Let's get out of here. Not feeling this right now. And here we go back down. Shit is so stupid. Like, come on. I mean, now that the first 5 minute close, realistically, I can use a VWAP, the buy zone, and like an opening range breakout as a 3 signs of confirmation. Oh, we're finally gonna break the range. Finally broke the range. And we're coming back into the range. I just don't understand like why. What is the point of just ranging? We're 6 minutes into the market and the market hasn't done jack shit. Come on. Like, just break out, please. Like, this shit's starting to get pathetic. Here goes back-to-back days of just complete bullshit. So I will probably not trade today. Just solely off the fact that this right here is the reason why. And we're only 7 minutes into market open, but the market hasn't done shit but range in this little stupid ass range. So like, look at this. Every time it wakes up, it comes back down, vice versa. It's just, I don't want to sit here through this and wait for a setup. Yes, I understand I probably should, and you know, that's part of being a trader, but the main reason I do this is and why I am a scalper is for the freedom. I like to get in, get out. I don't want to manage positions. I don't want to sit at the charts all day and just stare at my screen, you know? So I'm not going to force anything by any means, but I do need to see some type of move. Come on, let's break this, please. Candle closes in 14 seconds. Let's see if we can break. My laptop sounds like it's about to literally explode right now, Jesus Christ. Let's pray that doesn't happen, but goddamn. Okay, we're tapping out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break, break, break. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. Back down. We finally see a sell-off or some type of action outside of the fucking zone. I'd love to see a break. I'm not gonna chase it, but I'd love to see a break out of the range. If I can break this range, that'd be like absolutely beautiful. Just finally give me some direction, because I'm not gonna chase this move. I already came down way too much. You know what? I'll see you guys when there's a setup. I'm not gonna keep jogging. So
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
There's that pullback I wanted. Now let's see if we can get it moved down and finally take out the lows into that sell zone. Ideally, that'd be probably the best setup that we've seen so far, but looks like they want to go back up into the range. Here we go. Even more confirmation that that was the pullback that, you know, they were kind of trying to get. And try to get on this a little bit. Come on, let's get a little bit more of a push down. Come on, break that. I might take an L right now. I think I'm actually gonna take an L right now. I'm getting out of that. This is so fucking whack, dude. This is just so stupid. Like, why is this being like this? Not just that, but I don't even have NQ. It's like, this is so, like, this is just bad trading. Like, what am I doing? I mean, thankfully I walked away with the fucking dub, but I don't even know. I think I'm just gonna call it. I'm tired. The market conditions are just complete bullshit. Like, I don't know. That trade is $250 for literally a fucking 3-tick move. Like, come on. Could have held it like this, but it's like, look at this. It's just terrible. So I'm probably just gonna call it. I don't really know what to say. It sucks that the trading conditions are just completely ass right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see anything, drop a comment, drop a like. Now we're getting direction, of course. So this is great. But, you know, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. If you guys want to drop any lessons, I've honestly been debating on just completely dropping a strategy video. I have multiple strategies, but, you know, there's a few that I can touch on. There's some that I need to, you know, only save for my students, but not my main trading strategy. But, you know, like I said, if you guys wanted to see anything special, if you guys want me to go over any lessons or anything, just make sure to drop a comment and I will get back to you, and I will probably make a video on it. Again, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you fuckers later. Peace. All right, what's up, guys? So I was actually just editing today's, live trading session, and I realized that I didn't add a part where I broke down the trade and why I took it. So that's why I'm making this right here. So as you see right here, I did short the market right here. Is it the perfect setup? Yeah, I mean, to look back on it, it really is. But during the time, there was no volume. There really wasn't no direction. We finally broke out of this range that we were in and hopped in some sells. Should I have held? Yes, 100%. Look at this, how clean the setup is. It really can't get any better. But at the time, there's no volume. Again, we were just stuck in this range, and I didn't really know what was going to happen. So I sold out with some quick profits. But again, should I have held? Yes, I should have just stuck to the trading plan and stuck to my plan in general. So to look back on that, it's kind of annoying. But, you live and you learn, and you got to just move on. And then just to follow this up, what would have been a very good second position would have been right here. yes, you had some fake outs again right here, but once you close above this zone, ideally you would have want to get some buys and ride it into the sell zone, because you're going from zone to zone, and that would have been the perfect setup. But again, it is what it is. I can't go back. It's got to learn from it. Trust your plan, trust what you know, and just run with that. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. If there's anything I can do for you guys, let me know. Drop a comment. If there's any questions you guys have, drop a comment and DM me on Instagram, and I'll get back to you. So I hope you guys had a good trading day. And yeah, peace.